Located 38 kilometres west of Mildura, Wallpolla Island is part of the Murray Sunset National Park. A popular place for recreation, including camping, fishing, photography and bird watching, the site also has great cultural significance. The Victorian Murray Floodplain Restoration Project, VMFRP, is working in this area to provide water from the Murray system to floodplains using constructed works. The proposed works include 4 major regulators, 20 smaller containment regulators, and 3.4 kilometres of containment banks, and have been designed to complement weir pool manipulation activities at locks 8 and 9 in the Murray River. In total, this project will allow the watering of 2,500 hectares, supporting important plant and animal species, and provide connections between the Murray floodplain, wetlands and the Wallpolla ecosystem. The project will encourage populations of frogs, waterbirds and small fish by enhancing connections between the river, creeks and wetlands, providing reliable breeding grounds for waterbirds and improving the health of red gum and black box trees. The works also target areas that cannot be watered without infrastructure, which assists in maintaining health and resilience of floodplains during dry times. Over the next 2 years, there will be comprehensive engagement with traditional owners, nearby landowners and the wider community, which will help guide the project into the future. Projects like Wallpolla Island are a part of the Sustainable Diversion Limit component of the Basin Plan and must be built and operational by 2024. This project is being implemented as part of Victoria's obligations under the Murray-Darling Basin Plan, in partnership with Lower Murray Water, Goulburn Murray Water, Mallee CMA, North Central CMA, Parks Victoria and the Department of Environment, Land, Water and Planning. The VMFRP program is funded by the Commonwealth Department of Agriculture.